Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Um, I'm making this video again about yen index and yen pairs because they are like a spotlight right now, right? The yen index and yen trades, yen pairs, they are moving very, very fast, big time. So let's see what is happening and what has happened already and what are the possibilities. So this is, I'm just gonna go over again because I always have new people and they want to know, and then some of the new people. So this is the weekly chart, the yen index chart I made on the 7th March when it was hitting at the TL, coming down TL and 57.46 number monthly low. So I said the key number is the 57.46. That's a very important number. We might hold here and then go up, right? And the rising TL, which is this blue TL, and exactly the same thing happened, and then it went up. Okay, I forgot to put the mark, a yellow mark. Usually I do. You will see on the monthly chart. So this one started go a little bit, and then it went up to this white line, which is 58. But in fact, it went up all the way to 58, 56 in a week. So next week, I made a monthly chart, which is this. Okay, so I said, okay, we are at 58, 56, just below that. And I think that we're going to break that and then go for the outer monthly sloping TL here, this black TL right there, right? This is coming very close to this 60, 58, and then this one is, I think it's like 6107 or 61. So these are the, couple of numbers, 6027, 60, 58, something like that. So, and then there was another number, 6094, actually, just above this one, right? So that was my target. And I said, what did I say? That if it goes there to the upside, what will happen? This will take all yen pairs to the upside. And it did. So what happened to this chart? So far, the chart, as of today, I recorded this, we hit the TL. We went all the way from there, all the way to hitting the TL. So from 15 to, like 24, 9 days continuously, minus the weekend. So powerful move to the upside, yen index, and I said that this will happen, and that happened. Let me show you how it happened. All the pairs, look. Aussie yen from March 15th, right from here, it went up all the way to 700. Franc yen, March 15th, 600, 600 plus. Pound yen, 700 plus, the same time. Same time, this move started here, and CAD yen, 550 pip in a straight line. All of these you can see. Euro yen, 500 plus pips in a straight line from March 15th. And this one, USD yen, same 421 pip. Only today I had a very huge trade in this pair. I'll show you. So, and then New Zealand, there's no space here, so I had it here. So let me just show it to you. See, this is New Zealand here. New Zealand, this one went 450. Every single pair, right? 7 pairs, 7 yen pairs. They all went up in a straight line because of the yen index. Yen got weaker. Now, what is the situation? We are hitting at that TL. So that is the end of the world. No, not end of the world, but they're joking. End of the road, right? Might be end of the road. So this is here. See, what Russia is doing, it could be end of the world. It's end of the world, beginning, right? Beginning of the end of the world. Whatever. Right, we live, we die, no big deal. So this is the TL, we hit it, this is what happened. And now what? Are we gonna make a turn? Or this TL will hold, or we're gonna go to these? Now, I was expecting that maybe Japanese are a little afraid or scared of this situation, and then they might intervene. But I was completely wrong. As of today, the guy, Garuda, from Japan, Bank of Japan, came and says, repeats view, weak yen benefits Japan's economy. There we go. So he favors the weakness. He like it. So if he likes it, then they're not going to do intervention, and then it will, continue probably a little more because they're liking it, right? For some reason, God knows, reason changes all the time, right? So their economy is getting, I mean, the currency is getting weaker, and I know that this benefits in exports, and they export a lot. So, but they have their own reasons. The bottom line is that they're not going to do anything, and they're liking it, and they're probably going to let it go for a little more. So now the chances are for it to go to the upside continually. This is what's happening right now. You see, it hit the 60.94. This is a weekly chart. Hit the 60.94, and then it's pulling back, but the move is too powerful. Right now, the time is very bad as of, as far as the volume is concerned. Volume just dies out this time. This is what I'm recording, is that it's 12 a.m., 12:10 a.m., and there is no volume whatsoever usually this time. So here comes the London in 3 hours from now, London open, and then we will see what happens. Frankfurt open 2 hours, London 3 hours, right? So after that, the volume comes in, and then we will see if we're gonna break this or maybe retrace back to these highs here, 58, 56, or even 50% or 30, even 38%, back to 60.27 maybe. So let's see. Now it's not the luxury time, right? We had it last week, was completely, so only today I made the last week showing you the yesterday's trade, but only today at the 24th, March 24th, what I did with this chart is this. You see this CAD yen, today's entry on 24th for 140 pip, boom. And then I had pound yen for 105 pip, beautiful entry here, right? And then I had this Aussie yen for 115 pip, right? You can see how many beautiful entries. I had this one, I had this one, I had this one. And then last but not the least is the biggest is USD yen. Now USD yen from here, it is like 2 days worth. It's from the 20th, the entry was on the 23rd, and then from there, and the end of 31, and then 23rd, and then 24 started right here, and then boom, it went up. It was going, even still going to the upside, but like I said, that I stopped it because it was hitting the yen index was hitting that 60.94 and the TL. So I thought that could be the end of the road for these pairs, and so far that's what it is. They all stopped, but it is 175 pairs. So only today, all these four pairs. I have several others, but not the yen pairs. The yen pairs, I couldn't get the euro yen somehow. My entry I got messed up there, so I don't have anything there. But everything else, and New Zealand yen, I'm not even watching. So these are the trades that I took only today. So this is what I'm, showing that the power of the index. Only one chart guided me like 7 pairs, and they are going for 7 continuous days in the same direction. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Close the trade, open the trade, close the trade, open the trades. I have so many trades in these yen pairs in last whole week, especially even in this week. From beginning is like, I think it's like week started out on what, 25th, so probably like 21st, right? And I have so many trades every day is like 4 or 5 pairs, yen pairs, and big 4 or 5 trades in yen pairs. And just today I had 4 of these entries, and they all went up. And then if you are going to go to the upside, they're going to come back, retrace, just like they did here or here or here. And that's what I'm going to be waiting for. And once you see, when they retrace, either they're going to go up or down. So if they're gonna drop, right? So I'll wait. I'll wait until the downtrend starts, and then I'll start shorting these things. But if it comes down here and then it start to go up, I'll get in again, because like I said, that Kuruda is liking it. So they're not gonna do any intervention. They're not gonna stop it, try to stop it, right? So it's getting weaker. That's fine. It's good for their economy, good for their exports, right? So everybody is on their benefit. So this is how it is. This is what it is, and just wanted to share with you guys. And if you want to get in this, then go. Let me see if I can show you this is my website, right? And you can go here, and then you can subscribe, and you can go and sign up for one-on-one learning coaching over the Zoom. And I'll not only teach you the system, because you have to have a system. If you don't have a system, then the human emotions gets in, and they gets in the way big time, right? And it's so amazing that I'm teaching someone for last 3 or 4 years, and he's signing up again and again for one-on-one, but then he's still on the same track, that when the price something is falling, he's keep buying, or if it is going, he's keep without the setup. I says, why are you throwing your money with me? I'm teaching you to wait for the setup, and you said, no, I'm gonna do it whatever I want, so you don't need to come and learn. And then you promise. So unless you have a system, you want to make a change, and if you keep doing the same, for example, if you're doing something and you have a bad result, unless you change the way you are doing that thing, you're going to get the same result again and again, because you're doing the same thing over and over again and again the same way, right? So in order to get the different result, you must do things differently. So again, like I said, that if you want to learn, and then if you want to train differently, learning about that little bit of harmonic patterns, AUDJPY, they all help. But learning is the key. You see on this Forex Factory, if you see, I started the thread in 2008. Okay, My Forex Magic Wave, then under the name of My Forex Magic Wave. It's 2008, and I was doing a year and a half trading. You started the trading before that. So let's say 2007. So from 2007, that 3 years there, 10 there, and 2 here. You're talking more than 15 years. I've been just doing this. So I learn a lot. I know almost everything, right? So that's what it is. So I'm gonna close it now. And like I said, that if you want to join, then just come on the website, subscribe, and start learning and start trading like this. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend, coming weekend. Just one more day, but at least I'm not gonna trade, probably. Just gonna watch, unless something is very irresistible kind of thing, so then I'll jump in. If not, then I had like 25 trades. I'm tired. Too many trades. If you have 4 or 5 trades running, then your head is upside down. You got to focus. Concentration requires, and I can't even sleep properly then. So that makes me tired. But thankfully, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'll take my rest and then get ready for Monday again. So that's how it is. Yeah, you got to work hard, right, to make something out of it. Anyway, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.